non si può passare così. No, per te lo dico, ah, ok. Ah, sì, 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 sì. It's raining again. Hi everyone, good morning from Milan. It's a windy, a very wet morning. So it was raining from earlier, like 4 a.m. in the morning. It's quite heavy. I would say it's a torrential rain for a European country. Feels like we're in a tropical wine. I thought you just might need to be aware that this is what the weather is when you're traveling to Milan around end of October to early November. No, we cannot pass that one. It's like a river di sana. What? There's no other way walking to Gentile. The first footage was made at around like what, 8 in the morning. Now it's almost 11:30. It's 11:25. It's only getting worse. It's only getting worse. So the case is here in Milan, even though the rain had stopped, like sometimes around 10, 1.5 hours later, what happened is even the water level is rising. This is caused by the Seveso River that is running under the city of Milan was overflowing, and the water goes nowhere but the streets. And yep, it is what it is. I mean, like if you're here in Milan, sometimes around end of October or early November, it is the perfect example. Now it's 31st of October, exactly the last day of October, and this is what we get. I mean, like I was on this stretch of road like literally 30 minutes ago, and there wasn't water like this. It was fairly dry. Now it's overflowing with water, supposedly from the Seveso River. Okay, so what to do when you're in Milan, you're traveling in Milan and you're trapped on this kind of condition? Then there's nothing you can do but walk, and hopefully you don't have to get to the airport. And if you do, I would suggest you, I mean, like check the weather like the night before. If it's showing like high intensity of rain and the water level is high, then I would suggest you just to book a taxi. I mean, like do it hours earlier. Wait at the airport is the better options. And look at this. I mean, like even the bus service has no longer active, and this is the water level. Look at this. This is a truck. a camion trying to pass. No, 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 you don't go there. It's deeper on that side. Oh my god. Look. I will have to back down. Yep. And the problem being is the public transportation is stopped. Bus no longer running. Some trams is already stopped. And the thing is, the substitution for the tram service is bus service. That means bus and trams practically stopped. And we are now at the Via Pola. This right in front of the. This is the office of the Regional Lombardia. I assume somewhere in the city center is much better, but nevertheless, this has practically paralyzed the whole transportation system. It's all bright and sunny here, just right on the corner of Centrale Station. It's right over there. We are at Fabio Filzi Street. This stretch of road, usually you can see tram number 5 going right to the station. Tram number 10 is going through this lane. And I haven't seen any. I can see the bus number 60, which is not supposed to be going from that side. I think it's deviated somehow. Okay, it's only fair. When you watch this video, you will expecting some tips when you're in Milan during this kind of situation. I can only say, spare your time if you have to go to the airport, if you have to be somewhere very important. So leave early, get yourself a pair of rain boots, pack your luggage tightly, wrap it with plastic inside. I think it will be much better. And do not rely too much on the public transportation. Some of the metro stations are closed, and metro is not running, some bus is not running. Investing a bit more budget, taking a taxi will be a better option, a sound option, if you can get any. I mean, it's gonna be like thousands of people looking for taxi right now in Milan. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Ci vediamo. Ciao.